The Soundweb London BLU 10 is a programmable touchscreen controller, available in white, black and blue. It can be powered by Power over Ethernet or direct power. It's simple to program, but more importantly, it's simple to use. In this example, we're taking an existing design file and programming the BLU 10 from start to finish. The first step is to create some pages. To add a new page, right-click on the folder in BLU 10 Pages and choose New Page. This process is repeated until all pages required are created. Additional pages can be created later if necessary. To rename a page, right-click on the page in BLU 10 Pages and choose Rename Page. To implement a single button on the BLU 10, scroll down to Use as Single Button and change the value to 1. To implement touchscreen navigation, left-click to choose a page and drag and drop the destination page from the tree to the button position. The process of dragging destination pages to button positions is repeated until all navigation is configured. Navigation can also be modified later if necessary. Button positions can be resized by dragging the partitions. Back buttons can be added by dragging a destination page from the tree to a consistent button position. This gives navigation hierarchy and allows BLU 10 parameters to be organized logically. The text which appears on buttons on the BLU 10 can be customized. Text is edited in the properties of the button position. This process is repeated until all button positions are set up to show the desired text. The back buttons created before are labelled in exactly the same way. Note how consistent text can be used irrespective of the destination page. This simplifies backward navigation. The BLU 10 simulation mode allows a programmer to audition the behavior of a programmed BLU 10. To run the BLU 10 simulation, right-click on the button setup window and choose Run BLU 10 Simulation. The BLU 10 now simulates the operation of a physical device. The navigation functionality, including the operation of the back buttons created earlier, can be checked. Custom graphics such as company logos can be displayed on the BLU pages. Graphics to be added to a BLU must first be added to the HiQNet London Architect gallery. The bitmap is dragged from the gallery onto the BLU. At this point, you must choose whether it is a button image or a background image. The simulation mode can be used to see how the graphics will look on the physical device. So far, we've only set up navigation. We now need to add the things we wish to control from the BLU. Parameters are assigned to button positions by dragging and dropping from default or custom control panels. Here, we're assigning a source, volume, and meter to the main BLU page. Again, the text can be customized in the button properties. The meter can be adjusted to show a bar meter rather than the actual value. This is done by selecting meter from type in the button properties. Sources can now be selected, and the master volume can now be adjusted. The master program level is now displayed on the BLU. The remaining parameters are assigned by selecting the BLU page and dragging and dropping the parameters from the custom control panel to the button positions. Again, the button positions can be resized by dragging the partitions. The button text is edited in the same way as before. Presets can be added to the BLU by dragging and dropping from the design tree to the BLU button positions. The button size and text are adjusted in the same way as before. The ability to drag and drop parameters from default or custom control panels makes configuring the BLU 10 very quick and very easy. More parameters are assigned, and the accompanying button text is customized in the same way as before. Let's review the programming so far. Our start screen now displays custom graphics. Clicking through reveals the main control page. This contains page links to EQ subpages, the mutes page, a reset page, and the parameters we've just assigned. Navigating through the menu structure allows us to check the operation of the BLU 10. We need to ensure that unauthorized users can't reset the system. We need to add security. To set a password for a page, right-click on the page and choose Set Page Password. Choose from alphanumeric or numeric. Enter your password. Use the simulation mode to check the security implementation. Entering the wrong password disallows the user access to those password-protected areas. Entering the correct password allows the user access to the password-protected areas to make more advanced changes to the system. The SoundWeb London BLU 10. Simple to program and simple to use.